Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with another trade lesson video for everybody. Looking at an hourly chart of AA, Alcoa Corporation, basic materials sector. Let's get into it. These guys have been pushing. They've been pushing for quite some time to the upside. Obviously corrections here and there, but nothing that we've seen right here since the 18th, pushing up highs and then just really have pretty deep sell-off, a lot of profit taking happening, and we've been looking at that obviously since it's been coming down. We've been seeing the run-up, haven't traded it at all to the run-up to the upside, but once we started to see some selling pressure and the move on the 25th, you could see that cat, and obviously going into yesterday's session, it was a pretty significant gap down in pre-market. Had this going into our trade ideas going into pre-market yesterday. If you haven't had a look, go check that video. Obviously too late now, but at least you could see what we were seeing going into the session. We had a pretty crystal clear plan, like we always do. Clean entry levels, clean target levels, the reasoning for all these levels. We went into detail for the in the video. Obviously, we're going to continue going into how we ended up trading this thing today in the session, and where we got out and why we got out at where we got out. And the trade overall was as clean as you want, and it's one of those things you got to wait, right? You got to wait, and there's rules that we set, and sometimes we break our own rules. We all do. We're human. This trade in particular, we waited as we were supposed to wait, and got in when we were supposed to get in, and it worked. Everything lined up and ended up fading as expected and reached our target, particularly because it was a pretty key level of demand. So let's get into how we ended up taking it down and the management of the position. All right, guys, let's get down to it.